Pembroke Welsh Corgi Genetics, Understanding Fluffy Corgis. Pembroke Welsh Corgis are undoubtedly one of the most adorable dog breeds out there, known for their short legs, long bodies, and fascinatingly fluffy coats. While all corgis possess these distinctive characteristics to some degree, there is a subset of the breed that stands out: the fluffy corgis. These fluffy corgis have an even denser and longer coat, which raises the question, what is the genetic basis behind their unique appearance? In this video, we will dive deep into the world of Pembroke Welsh Corgi genetics and unravel the mystery of fluffy corgis. Understanding genetics basics. Before we can explore the genetic factors that contribute to fluffy corgis, it's essential to comprehend the fundamentals of genetics. Genes are the units of inheritance that determine an organism's traits, from physical appearance to behavior. At the core of genetics is DNA, which consists of various combinations of 4 nucleotides: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. These nucleotides form the building blocks of our genetic information. Fluffy corgis and the fluffy gene. In the world of Pembroke Welsh Corgis, the fluffy gene is responsible for the abundant coat seen in the fluffy variety. Typically, the fluffy gene occurs when a puppy inherits 2 copies of the fluffy gene, one from each parent. This is called a homozygous state, and it is vital for the development of a dense and longer coat. However, if a puppy inherits only 1 copy of the fluffy gene, it will have a short or standard coat, referred to as the non-fluffy variety. Inheritance patterns. Understanding the inheritance patterns of the fluffy gene is crucial in unraveling the genetics behind fluffy corgis. The fluffy gene is considered recessive, meaning that it is masked by the dominant gene responsible for the short coat. To have a fluffy corgi, both parents must carry at least 1 copy of the fluffy gene. In other words, a fluffy corgi can be born from 2 fluffy parents or from carriers, dogs that carry 1 copy of the fluffy gene without expressing it. Breeding for fluffiness. Now that we have a grasp of the genetics behind fluffy corgis, it's important to discuss breeding for this desired trait. Responsible breeders must carefully plan their breeding programs to avoid potential health issues associated with the fluffy gene. Breeding 2 fluffy corgis increases the chances of producing puppies with an even denser coat, but it also raises the likelihood of certain genetic disorders, such as degenerative myelopathy, a progressive spinal cord disease. Therefore, responsible breeders often opt for breeding carriers with fluffy corgis to maintain the desired fluffiness while minimizing the risk of health problems. Health considerations. While fluffy corgis undeniably have an irresistible charm, it's essential to address the potential health considerations associated with their genetics. The fluffy gene can increase the likelihood of certain health issues, including degenerative myelopathy, hip dysplasia, and various eye problems. It is crucial for prospective owners and breeders to be aware of these potential risks and take precautions to ensure the overall health and well-being of their fluffy corgis. Conclusion. Understanding the genetics behind fluffy corgis piques one's curiosity and sheds light on the intricate world of canine genetics. The fluffy gene plays a significant role in creating the dense and longer coat that makes these corgis so visually appealing. However, responsible breeding practices are essential to ensure the overall health and well-being of these fluffy companions. By being knowledgeable about the genetics behind fluffy corgis, breeders and owners can make informed decisions and ensure the continued preservation of this endearing and unique variety within the Pembroke Welsh Corgi breed.